Hello and welcome to the debut of the SEQUENZA 8 system. SEQUENZA 8 is a new line array system from K&F in Germany. The SEQUENZA 8 system offers superb audio quality due to its three-way design. The three-way design helps a lot in maintaining a good voice reproduction because you do not have a crossover in the vocal range, and with the three-way design you also have a lot of clarity. The SEQUENZA 8 system comprises of the top cabinet, which is just this part. We see it here ground stacked on the flying frame on two of the SEQUENZA 8B. SEQUENZA 8B is the flying base extension. It could be used for ground stacks, it could be flown above the system. The SEQUENZA 8 top itself is a three-way cabinet powered by a single amplifier channel. We have a passive crossover, which divides the frequency range. For the high frequency part of the array, we have the mid-ranges sitting here, left and right of the high frequency drivers. And we have two 8-inch low frequency drivers in bass reflex tuning. Even the mid-range speakers in the SEQUENZA 8 cabinet are bass reflex tuned to give them the ability to have higher power and better cooling. For the high frequency drivers of the SEQUENZA 8 system, we decided to use two 1-inch drivers. The advantage is that the breakup modes of the smaller driver are a lot higher in frequency range than with a bigger driver. And also, you spread again the energy from the amplifier on two voice coils instead of one. True shape means that the horn geometry can be adjusted from the backside of the speaker without any tools. That means you can configure it to be a narrow version with 60-degree horizontal coverage. You can configure it to 90-degree version wide. And you can configure it to extra wide, which covers 120 degree in the horizontal plane. It's also possible to do an asymmetric version if you work inside rooms, so that you do not shoot energy to the outside walls, but have good coverage to the inside of the venue. Another patent inside of the SEQUENZA 8 system is the auto-lock rigging. The idea behind the auto-lock rigging system is that you do not have any pins outside of the box which are visible for the eye. You do not have any lanyards or anything hanging around. You can use any tool you have at hand. I have a pen right now. And the auto function means that you can use a tool to open the pin. And in this configuration, you can just lift it off. And when you put it back on, it will come out and lock automatically. For the rigging of the system and transportation, we have designed specific carts, so the system can be transported standing upright. We also have a case for the flying frame where you can remove the hood, and then you can directly connect the frame to your motor, attach it to the auto-lock rigging system on the top of the cabinet, set the angles on the back, connect them on the back and lift them up. We have designed an ultra-compact system amp rack for 3 of our PLM Plus amplifiers, and there is a new connector panel which brings all the connectors and outputs of the 3 amplifiers to the front. The amp rack has a built-in power distributor and has one new rack space reserved for your switch you want to put in there. With the PLM 12, you can drive up to 12 cabinets of SEQUENZA 8. It's a 4-channel amp, and so that means you can power up to 3 elements of SEQUENZA 8 on a single amplifier channel.